Alright, I'm about to make this is about to be a quick how that sound like ecstasy video. My bad, I've been gone. I don't use bandlab anymore, so yeah, I low-key been slacking, that's the word. But yeah, let me see how the video quick. That's the beat. This is about to be one of my best preset videos. I'm telling you, it's like these are my favorite presets that I made so far. But now I'm gonna show y'all just the ad-libs. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show y'all all this shit together without. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna show y'all all this shit together without no beat. It's no beat. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna show y'all everything together. Everything right now.
I bought me a new type. I don't like you, baby, cause you're flexing with the us. I'ma pop a pill, but I hope you don't get shot. I want something real, not nothing that's finna fly. I can't mess with B-O-P-P, why they dust?
Yeah. that's the xtsy preset showcase. But I need y'all to give me some ideas, video ideas, cause I've been running out. I got hella presets for y'all if y'all want that, but I don't know what y'all want, so I ain't been really doing much with the presets and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna drop the Velli screen too, but it wasn't even a preset. Like, the reason I didn't drop it because it was never a preset. I just put the shit in, and then I made edits to like a blank shit. I just made something, and it wasn't meant to be a preset, but I used it. And yeah, that's why it never got dropped. So I'll drop it. I'll drop it on this video. But yeah. But yeah, let me know what you think about the presets in the comments, please. And if anybody wants this song, you can have this shit, cause this is a scrap. This shit's scrap. And yeah, let me know if you want bandlab videos. That's bandlab FL Studio videos or more bandlab videos. Just let me know. Please let me know what y'all want. And yeah, I'm going.